Accidentally deleted a critical Peachtree file. Don't panic, because in the next 90 seconds, we'll explore proven ways to bring your data back from the digital abyss. First and foremost, the most obvious, but often overlooked step: check your recycle bin. Double-click the recycle bin icon on your desktop, scroll through the files and folders if you spot your deleted Peachtree file. Right-click on it and select Restore. This will return the file to its original location. Easy peasy. No luck in the recycle bin? Time to bring in the big guns: data recovery software. There are several reliable options available, such as Recover, easiest data recovery wizard, or Stellar Data Recovery. Download and install your chosen software, launch the program and select the drive where the deleted Peachtree file was located. Initiate a scan. The software will search for recoverable files. Be patient, as this may take some time. Once the scan is complete, browse the list of found files, locate your Peachtree file, and select Recover. Choose a different storage location to avoid overwriting the original file's location and potential further data loss. Ideally, you've been backing up your Peachtree data regularly. If so, you're in luck. Locate your backup files, whether they're on an external hard drive, a network drive, or in the cloud. Open the backup folder, identify the most recent backup that contains the missing data. Copy the backup file to your Peachtree data folder when prompted. You may need to overwrite the existing data file with the restored backup. Remember to always create a copy of your current data folder before overwriting anything, just in case. And there you have it. 3 effective methods for recovering deleted Peachtree files. Remember, regular backups are crucial for minimizing data loss and ensuring business continuity. Now, get back to running your business and breathe easy knowing your data is safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.